Well, this is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring.
And today what I wanted to talk about was mounting this grill back onto the front of my pickup. This is the grill. It's actually the back side of the grill. I want to show it to you first. You have these two support braces that come down, and they actually get mounted to the radiator mounting bracket here and also to here. At the ends of the grill there are three mounting holes on both sides. In addition to that, they have a 1/16 of an inch thick rubber gasket, it looks like, that is there, so don't forget to put that back on when you go to mount this up. But these ends actually get mounted to the fenders. You can see over here the three mounting holes on this fender that we're going to connect that to. And so fender's going to get mounted this way. We're going to secure it in between the two fenders. Okay, what we're going to do is go ahead and install the grill. And as my sister just pointed out, basically if you lift this up and you start here in the center, you should be able to slide it in and slide it down. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, that's where that's at right there. And then what we're going to do is we've got mounting holes on each side, and we'll go ahead and put those in there. And then we got our support brackets that need to get mounted to the radiator mounting bracket back here. So we'll go ahead and start working on that. Okay, we went ahead and finished mounting the grill on the pickup. I just want to point out a couple of things. We did loosen these mounting bolts off where the fender was connected to the radiator support bracket there. And that allowed us enough space to be able to take this grill. We started in the middle and we were able to slide it down. But again, you got your three mounting bolts between the fender and the grill here, over here, and then you have your support bracing in the back here connected to the radiator support bracket. And hopefully that will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.